Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video here on Help Guy. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall or remove OneDrive from your Windows application. I believe this applies to Windows 10 as well. Currently, I'm using Windows 11, so if you are, this is how you can do it. So go to Settings, open it up, go to Apps here on the left, select Apps, go to Installed Apps. And then what you want to do from here is you want to search for OneDrive. This is the current OneDrive that's uploaded in our installed rather on our computer. So if you just want to uninstall that, click on more options and then select uninstall. This one as well, just go here and select uninstall. And that's it. That's how you can remove OneDrive from Windows 11, and I believe the same steps also applies to Windows 10. Now just for a recap, go to settings, go to apps, type in OneDrive, and then click on the action button, more options button here rather, and then select uninstall. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button, and we will see you again for more videos. Follow us only here on Help Guy.